But if you close your eyes,
what's up everybody, my name is Tal and today I'm going to teach you some useful trick to do in Travian if you're playing for rain servers and you want to translate them. However, trying to use Google Translate is a waste of time because you will get all of the translates will go wrong, the names will be different from what you used to see, and everything will be just crazy. So for example, I'm playing now an Israeli server in Hebrew language, and in Hebrew language everything is opposite, which means everything is from another direction, and players who used to play US or COM servers will find these servers pretty weird and they won't be able to play it. So with this trick that I'm going to teach you, you will be able to play any server you like, no matter what language, and you will be able to translate it back to English. I'm not sure about other languages, but I know that any server can be translated to English. So what you should do, first of all, you gotta be using some very simple browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and if you have any other browser, that's good, but performing these steps will be different on every other browser. So in this browser you gotta go right click and go to inspect element, that's in English language, and you see you have here below the bar which you are able to access the HTML content and everything, so you don't have to edit anything. You go to memory, application, you go to application, and then you see you have here all the application data. So when you go below you see cookies. This is for every game that you play, it has different cookies, and you see the website of the game. So right now I'm playing Travian IL5, and you see I got here the Travian language. See, it's in Hebrew, so I double click that and I will change it to English language. So to change I need to write EN US, and when I done I can just close it, refresh the page, and you see everything is now in English language. So even the sides have turned from right to left side. And now I can play this server in English language, although most of the players here are in Hebrew language, but the server itself will display in English. But just make sure that when you play the server and you translate it using that trick, it stays only for the specific browser. That means if you change computer and log into your account, it will still be in Hebrew language, so you'll have to do that again. But if you play from the same browser and the same computer over and over again, so it will display in English language, the language that you changed your browser to. So you see everything here is in English. If I go to statics, I can see all of the stats in English. I can see, for example, if I go to my profile, I see everything is opposite and the sides are different, and you see everything is in English. So I have the description, it's opposite, and everything else, even the villages names are changed. So that's much better for players who used to play in English servers, and when you come to other servers, so you can have a team and play any server you would like, and the language of the server doesn't matter because you can always change it to English. So thanks for watching, I hope they helped you out. If you have any more questions, you can feel free to comment them below and I will answer them.